Trying to spend less time in the kitchen without sacrificing great meals? You're about to discover some clever Amazon finds designed to speed things up and simplify everyday cooking. From smart prep tools to handy gadgets that handle the tedious tasks, these picks make kitchen time a whole lot easier. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Good ice can make any drink better. This countertop machine creates soft, chewable nugget ice that's perfect for iced coffee, soda, or cocktails. Just fill the water tank and press a button, and fresh ice starts forming in minutes. A simple push-pull lever drops ice straight into your cup with no scooping or mess. When it's time to clean, the built-in self-cleaning cycle rinses the system so everything stays fresh and ready. Your personal cafe is now just a button away. This smart beverage machine lets you brew coffee, tea, lattes, or even hot chocolate in seconds. Just drop in a single-serve pack, choose your cup size, and your drink is ready in under a minute. The pack-to-cup brewing system keeps flavors pure, so every drink tastes exactly the way it should. A removable water tank and adjustable cup stand make it easy to refill and fit your favorite mug. Measuring ingredients just got a serious upgrade. This smart storage system keeps your pantry organized while automatically measuring what you need. Just place your bowl under the dispenser and the exact amount drops right in. A built-in digital scale ensures accuracy, whether you're baking, cooking, or portioning food. Airtight containers keep everything fresh, from flour and sugar to rice, nuts, and spices. It's a neat modern way to turn your pantry into a smart kitchen helper. Air frying just got a clear upgrade. This smart cooker uses durable glass containers so you can actually see your food as it turns crispy and golden. It can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and more, giving you plenty of ways to cook your favorite meals. The powerful heating system brings food from frozen to crispy in minutes. When you're done, the same containers can store leftovers with snap-lock lids to keep everything fresh. Hotpot night just got a lot more interesting. This clever divided pot lets you cook 2 different broths at the same time, so everyone gets the flavor they love. One side can be spicy, while the other stays mild. The sturdy aluminum body spreads heat evenly, helping soups, meats, and veggies cook just right. A non-stick surface makes cleanup simple, and the glass lid lets you watch the feast come together. Butter the old-fashioned way is easier than you think. This vintage-style glass churn turns simple cream into fresh homemade butter in just minutes. Just pour in the cream and turn the handle as the paddle does the hard work inside. You can actually watch the butter form through the clear glass jar. The sturdy metal gears and wooden grip give it a classic feel while making the process smooth and satisfying. Perfect grains without the guesswork. This smart cooker automatically senses how much rice, beans, or grains you add and calculates the ideal water ratio for you. It even dispenses the exact amount of water from its built-in tank. Just choose a preset and let it handle the cooking. You can also steam vegetables, fish, or meat on top while the grains cook below, turning one appliance into a complete meal maker. Meet your all-in-one countertop chef. This Combi Oven lets you grill, air fry, steam, bake, and even defrost or keep food warm, all in one space-saving unit. Advanced steam modes preserve nutrients and moisture, making meals healthier and juicier. Choose from preset recipes or set your own temperature for precise results every time. The sleek digital display makes it easy to control, so cooking complex dishes has never been this simple. Homemade ice cream just got a whole lot easier. This machine lets you make 2 flavors at once, so everyone gets exactly what they want. Just freeze the bowls, add your ingredients, and let it churn to creamy perfection. You can customize flavors, mix-ins, or even make frozen yogurt. Cleanup is simple, and the anti-slip base keeps everything steady while you whip up your sweet treats. Keep your rice fresh and your kitchen tidy. This large dispenser stores up to 25 pounds of rice, grains, or cereal in a clean, dry, BPA-free container. Just press the lever and the exact amount drops into the included measuring cup. No scooping or mess. The transparent front lets you see how much is left, while the airtight design protects against moisture and pests. It's an easy, space-saving way to organize your pantry. Get ready to turn your kitchen or outdoor hangouts into a mini resort. This portable frozen drink machine whips up shaved ice drinks and smoothies that taste like they came straight from a beach bar. You can make over 20 drinks on a single USB charge, so the fun doesn't stop. The compact 18-ounce design is lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's safe, shatter-resistant, and a breeze to clean. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers with this clever twist whisk. It's 2 whisks in one, a flat whisk for blending and a balloon whisk for whipping. When you're done, it folds flat, saving tons of space. The silicone-coated steel wires are heat-resistant, so you can safely use it up to 200 degrees Celsius without scratching your non-stick pans. Lightweight, easy to handle, and dishwasher safe. It makes cooking and baking simpler than ever. Make fresh juice without lifting a finger. This hands-free electric citrus juicer squeezes lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits with just one button. The BPA-free Triton plastic bowl holds plenty of juice, and 2 interchangeable pulp filters let you choose smooth or pulpy. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is effortless. Compact, sturdy, and easy to use, it turns every citrus into a vitamin-packed drink in seconds. Chopping nuts just got a whole lot easier. This nut chopper handles almonds, peanuts, walnuts, and more in seconds. You can choose fine or coarse cuts, and the removable base has clear measurements, so you get the perfect amount every time. The non-skid bottom keeps it steady while you work. Compact, stylish, and simple to use, it turns topping salads, cookies, or smoothies into a quick and fun task. Take the guesswork out of healthy eating with this smart kitchen scale. It weighs your food and shows calories, protein, carbs, and fat instantly. You can scan foods with AI or barcodes, track daily intake, and even set personal goals. The scale handles tiny portions up to 5 kilograms and gives readings in grams, ounces, or milliliters. Rechargeable via USB-C. It's compact, easy to use, and keeps all your nutrition info right at your fingertips. Turn ordinary potatoes into silky, restaurant-quality mash. This heavy-duty potato ricer makes every batch smooth and fluffy with minimal effort. Its large 15-ounce basket and fine 3mm holes let you mash quickly while keeping the texture perfect. Long, cushioned handles give you extra leverage so your arms stay comfortable. Dishwasher safe and rust-proof, it's also great for carrots, yams, or even baby food, making it a true kitchen multitasker. Skip the watered-down iced coffee with this clever beverage cooler. This patented chiller turns hot coffee, tea, juice, or even wine into ice-cold drinks. In under a minute, no ice needed. Just fill with water, freeze, and pour your drink through it for perfectly chilled results. Durable and dishwasher safe, it's ready to use again and again. Compact and easy, it's perfect for busy mornings or a quick happy hour at home. Turn fruits, veggies, herbs, and meats into tasty snacks with this easy-to-use food dehydrator. It heats up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, drying food safely and evenly for perfect jerky, fruit chips, or even dog treats. With 5 trays, expandable to 7, you can dry large batches at once, and adjustable tray heights handle thicker cuts. The quiet operation keeps things peaceful, while one-touch controls and auto shutoff make it simple to use. Durable and efficient, it's a snack-making powerhouse for your kitchen. Cook like a professional right at home with this precision sous vide machine. It heats water evenly with a quiet, powerful motor, so your food cooks perfectly every time. Set your ideal temperature and timer on the bright LED display and clip it easily to any pot. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, and the adjustable dial lets you switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius effortlessly. From juicy steaks to tender vegetables, it locks in flavor and nutrients with precision cooking. Kickstart your mornings with this all-in-one breakfast station. It combines a 6-cup coffee maker, a non-stick griddle, and a 4-slice toaster oven so you can brew, cook, and toast at the same time. The ceramic griddle makes flipping pancakes and eggs effortless, while the coffee maker brews fast so you never wait. Easy-to-use dials keep everything simple, and the compact design saves countertop space. Stylish retro colors and chrome accents add a fun diner vibe to your kitchen. Brew the perfect cup every time with this electric tea kettle. It heats water to the exact temperature you need for white, green, oolong, or black tea. The built-in infuser lets you steep loose leaves or bags, while the 30-minute keep warm function keeps your drink ready. Made from stainless steel, glass, and BPA-free parts, it's safe and easy to clean. Whether hot or iced, this kettle makes every tea moment effortless and delicious. Chop, dice, and mince in seconds with this handy slap chop. Just press the plunger and the stainless steel blades do the work, making prep faster and easier than using a knife. The large cup catches everything, keeping your countertop clean. When you're done, it opens like a butterfly for quick and simple cleaning. Perfect for veggies, fruits, nuts, or toppings, it turns any meal prep into a speedy, mess-free task. Start your morning right with this retro 2-slice toaster. It has extra-wide 1.5-inch slots, perfect for bagels, thick bread, or muffins. 6 browning levels let you go from lightly toasted to perfectly crispy every time. The self-centering guides make sure each slice browns evenly. Cleanup is simple with a removable crumb tray, and the vintage design adds a stylish touch to any countertop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.